The Artisul M0610 is a medium-sized portable pen tablet for all budding and professional artists and designers. Inside the box you get the tablet, warranty card, instruction manual, a felt envelope for your pen, a USB-A to USB-C cable, the actual pen itself, nice pen action there, an Artisul 2-fingered drawing glove, a cleaning cloth, and 2 USB adapters, some nibs and a nib extractor tool. Here's a closer look at some of the accessories. This is the felt envelope and the pen, USB-A to USB lead, the 2 USB adapters, plus the nib extractor tool and spare nibs, the 2-fingered Artisul glove to stop your hands smearing the screen when drawing, and this is a collection of all the accessories you get in the box. The tablet is nicely designed, although it looks a bit plasticky, but has 8 shortcut keys which can be customised to your preference. The bottom key actually changes the colour of the RGBs, which is quite a cool look. The pen itself is comfortable to hold, battery free, although it does feel a bit plasticky like the tablet. I was able to get good lines using this pen and had no problems at all. I was able to get good variable lines and nice tapered strokes on some of my drawings. The scroll wheel worked perfectly. You can use this to increase or decrease your brush size and zoom in or out of your drawing while you work. If you're new to digital art, just starting out, or want to replace an old tablet, the Artisul M0610 Pro tablet is a good choice. The overall performance of this tablet was actually very good. There was no lagging whatsoever and every pen stroke registered perfectly on screen. This tablet is actually great value for the money, and if you do decide to purchase it, I'm sure you'll end up a lot happier than this guy on the screen. Another cool feature of this tablet is that by using one of the supplied USB adapters, you can actually plug it into a tablet or smartphone and continue drawing there.